Welcome to the L2 error for a dryer fix. Under initial inspection, the inspector thought it was a mouse. Getting a closer look, he decided to change out the fuses. Nope, that didn't work. After removing some lint, we attempted to replace the front panel wheels. Nastiness. Replacing the belt on the dryer drum becomes a larger ordeal when you need to change out the wheels on the front panel and the back panel of the dryer.
With the ball bearings. So we're going to take the top
So you'll notice the
off,
wheels in the
put
back.
the top triangles out. Then you can
Once
just
those are
pull out
plucked
all the
off,
hair and
there's
the,
hair
fuzz
wrapped around,
and the nastiness that is stopping your
which needs to be removed.
Spin your drum. Change out disaster. So now that you can see they're off, they are completely covered in hair spun around the. This one's the worst out of all 4 of them. So when you have this stuff in your dryer, it's not going to work right.
As you can see here, the coil was actually completely busted. The bottom facing cracked, the coil itself was cracked in half. The plastic pieces holding the coil on were broken. So we needed to replace all of this with a new one. This technically is what the L2 error might be signaling if you also have a similar dryer.
With a new one. All right, reconnecting the coils. Where's my assistant? Hello? I need my assistant to reconnect this stuff. Because at this point, I don't know what plugs into what.
Putting everything back together is a 2-person job. Now, lifting the drum, putting on the belt, and re-screwing all of the panels back together will take 2 people. Good luck in your endeavors.